Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Sandhya.
Hello, Sandhya garu.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
ఓకే. యాక్చువల్లీ ఎందుకు వచ్చానంటే, సో నేను మీది ఇక్కడ క్లాసెస్ పెడుతున్నారు కదా స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ది, దాని గురించి నేను ప్రమోట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. అంటే ఎవరైతే 1000 రూపీస్కి అంత ఈజీగా నేర్పించరుగా మ్యామ్, సో దాని గురించి మీరు 1000 రూపీస్లో స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పిస్తున్నారని తెలిసింది నాకు. సో దాని గురించి వచ్చాను. ప్లీజ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్.
I'll introduce myself. I'm Rajita here. And I'm working for I'm working as an in charge here, and also I teach spoken English classes.
Okay.
And here, this center name is KTT Center, which is the full name of the KTT is Kaki Thayawa Trust, and it is a trust where they are working for. It's a community who is giving their services since 25 years. Okay, it's a trust, so any people can come and join here who are not affordable to pay lot of fees in the other institutions. And I think this is a very good institute for the people who are in needy. Okay, and they can learn the different courses also. We are not only having the spoken English classes here and computer classes.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, 1 సెకండ్. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, తర్వాత చెప్తాను నెక్స్ట్.
These are my students.
Okay.
Who join here for the spoken English class.
హాయ్ చెప్పండి అందరూ. మాలేకుం సలాం. ఓకే, సో క్యారీ ఆన్ మ్యామ్.
Today's topic is parts of speech. I think we have already started this class 2 days before. This class is going on, and I think how many types of parts of speech? 8. What are they, Aman? Stand up and say what are the types?
Noun, verb, adverb,
Don't laugh, children. Let him say.
adjective, conjunction,
See, no one is perfect, right?
preposition.
Okay, good. So, these are the different types of parts of speech. Already we have discussed 5 different types of the parts of speech, like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and adjective. So, he already said what are the types of parts of speech here. Now, I would like to know, whoever knows about the noun, can anybody explain noun? What is noun? Muzamil? What is a noun? Okay, noun. Anybody can, the girls also can say what is noun. Noun itself tells about the names. Okay, noun is a name. Mariam. Stand up. Please stand up.
Okay. If you know.
Yeah, Usman, you have to say no. Don't feel shy, children.
Okay.
Here you are to express what you know, and you have to improve your skills. Mariam, no problem. Stand up and say what is a noun?
No.
Noun.
Then
Noun is the name of a person, animals and things.
they are
Very
very
good.
They say why not answering?
They are feeling shy. Don't feel shy. You have to say what you know. Noun is a noun describes
Name, place,
I already asked. He said. Aman said.
Please.
Children, don't feel shy. Okay.
No. अच्छे पढ़े लिखे कॉलेज जाने वाले बच्चे को साला.
Very good clap for Mariam. And noun is a noun describes about the name of a person, place, animals, things. Okay. So generally everything in the universe will have a noun. So if they don't have the name, we cannot identify this is particular thing. Okay. Now what is this, children? It's a board. How can you say that it's a board?
ओके फ्रेंड्स, ఇది వచ్చేసి ఒక 1 सेकंड सब जने आप लोग हाय करिए. ओके, आप लोग ये इंस्टीट्यूट के आपको ओके बोलते हैं? तम कोई अगर अच्छा लगा आप लोगों को ये इंस्टीट्यूट, आपको अच्छा पढ़ा रहे कम पैसे में, तो सबको बुला सकते हैं आप लोग. हाँ, ओके. सब आप लोगों को ओके बोले तो सब उठाए हाथ. किसको किसको पसंद है ये इंस्टीट्यूट? 1000 रुपीज़ में कोई भी स्पोकन इंग्लिश नहीं सिखा सकते. ओके, 3000 4000 पूछते, लेकिन इधर तो अच्छी है ना. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఏఎస్ అకాడమీ ఛానల్లో మీకు పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఎవరికైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే కింద మీకు లింక్లో నేను పంపిస్తాను, కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో వచ్చి అడగండి. ఇది మలక్పేట్, ఓల్డ్ మలక్పేట్. సో ఇక్కడ నా నెంబర్కి నేను సెండ్ చేస్తున్నా, ఎవరైనా ఉంటే దానికి నాకు కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.